Welcome to Guided Still. For the next 3 minutes, let things get a little simpler. If you are somewhere safe to pause, let the body settle. We will use the breath as a place to return. Let the first few breaths be ordinary. Let the body settle where it is. Feel one point of contact beneath you. Now notice the breath arriving, and notice it leaving. Take a slower breath in. Let the exhale be easy. Again, a quiet inhale. A little longer on the way out. If it helps, picture ocean moving with the breath. Arriving, softening. One more breath at your own pace. Then let the technique go. Notice the room again. Move your fingers gently and come back when you are ready. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. New meditations every week. See you next time.